Here we have two of filter materials. One is sponge, which one is here in that filter, and another one is lava stone. Like we see how green is water. Is that water is around 2 weeks here inside, and we already have a lot of mosquitoes inside. But that is nothing wrong. I wanna show you how to clean that water. We have here chlor and one inside, and that need to clean water, and that here is a skimmer filter that will take bugs and stuffs from the surface of the water. Ah, yeah, working. Perfect. Let's go see now how that will work. That one go around. After 2 days a little bit less than 2 days. And let's go see what's happened here. Huh. Perfectly clear water. There is chlor that we can see leaves in floor. The flow of water is not strong like was in the first day. And I know why is this, because all this green algae is now here inside the filter, and we need to check out. Yes. Normally that filter need to be nice white, and here between all this is a lot of that green algae is now brown because they are dead. Why they are dead? Because we put chlor inside the water. We don't need that filter here inside. We just need that water moving here inside, and we need chlor inside the water. Flow of water is way stronger because we take this out. That swimming pool is finished. Actually is not. Now I will show you how to clean water naturally, without chemicals, without chlor. And for this we need build natural filter. Okay. Yes, I know. I need to lost my weight. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh. Very good. That is perfect. Last time was water so green, and I lost that one. And I didn't see bottom. I didn't see where is it. And nice water is perfectly clear. Kitchen oil. Very good. Water will go here inside in this skimmer, then will go through the pipe here out and inside the pump. From the pump will push water here up to that blue one. In here, in blue one, water came here, go in, and then down, completely down, and then go water when was from down is a lot of holes, and then came water and go here, will go through, and that one, and again down, and that blue one have a lot of holes again, and then will go here back inside the swimming pool. That is filter material for the second one. Here that is lava stone, and let's go this install inside the filter. now we need filter material for that first one, that blue one. And what will be? Let's go see. That is part of old sofa. That sponge we will cut on small parts, and that will be filter material. We fill these bags, we fill these bags like this, not full, but we leave a little bit space on the top that we can move and shape that bag inside the filter later. I cut almost half of that sponge. Let's go see if we have enough. Air now need to go out from that sponge, and then that sponge will go down on the bottom and will cover everything. That is, guys, now very good. They are strong. They will not fall with strong wind, and that is time when we can start the filter. Just for now, first filter, blue one, sponge still floating inside the water, and that means we lift up everything now, because inside the sponge is still air. I'm running. I see water coming up, also that sponge coming up, but after a while that air will go out from the sponge. You can see how much. That is all air. Now will be perfect if we put something heavy over the sponge that stay on the bottom. You know, when you're swimming in water with the chlor, then you need shower later all the time, because you smell very bad with the chlor. And that also means that chlor go inside the body through the skin. Yeah, not good. Very good. Not good. Very good. Very simple cover, and is safe for my cats. Missy! Sponge from the old couch and lava stone. This here is filter material. That one is the blue one, and that one is here with the plants. And what I love from these two filter materials, that have a lot of small holes, and in every hole later will be small family of microorganisms, and that family need a food, and they will get food from water. They will eat bad stuff inside the water, and that means they will clean water. When I go swimming, I just open like this. Swimming.